Hello and welcome everyone to the very first video of this series, Statistics for Machine Learning and Data Science. Now I'll be making an introduction video for the series soon, but let me tell you that if you follow all these lectures religiously, you're not only going to learn statistics, but all other concepts of machine learning and data science, that too from scratch and in detail. Let's begin with the first video. The agenda is what is statistics, why should we learn statistics, and what are the type of statistics. What is statistics? Well, to begin with, it is a branch of mathematics. Unknowingly or unknowingly, we have been using it in our day-to-day life. For example, if you want to buy a phone, what do? You visit all the online and offline stores and then you collect data about various phones. Remember the keyword here, collect data. And then you analyze that data and you choose which phone is the best for you and you buy that. This entire process is nothing but statistics. Let us see how. If we look at the formal definition of statistics, it says branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data to make informed decisions. The end goal of statistics is to make informed decisions. What are informed decisions? Like to buy a phone, you could have randomly walked into any store and could have chosen any phone that you found the best. Why did you go through the hustle of looking at so many phones? It is because you wanted to buy the best phone for you. And this is the entire goal of statistics, to make the best decisions. The next question that comes to our mind is why should we learn statistics? Now that we have seen what is statistics, but why should we learn it? Why is it important for machine learning or data science? So the answer is that statistics is the very brain of any machine learning model. For example, in machine learning, there is a very famous model that is known as cat and dog image recognition. If you don't know about this model, what it does is you feed an image to it and it recognizes whether that image belongs to a cat or a dog. How do you think this model works? What happens is we collect data which is in form of images of various cats and dogs, and then we organize and store it, and we feed this data to a machine learning algorithm that analyzes that data and learns features like what kind of image belongs to a cat and what are the features if an image belongs to a dog. And then when you feed an or give input of an image to it, it tells us whether that image belongs to a cat or a dog. So now you could see we have used so much of statistics in this model and how it can be termed as brain of entire machine learning model. Let's move towards the last topic for today, that is type of statistics. Statistics can be classified as two types, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. It is said that if you want to learn anything, you should always look at the definition of the words. What does descriptive means? It means to describe something. For example, you've got a phone and you have been using it for a while. How do you describe? If someone asks you, how is the phone working? And you say, it's working good, it's got a good battery life, it has got a good camera, it has got a good display. This is how you describe your data. In this case, data is your phone. So you summarize all its features and points. This is nothing but descriptive statistics. Now, what is inferential statistics? The word inference means to make an assumption or an estimation about something. Uh, Usually in statistics, inferential statistics is to make an assumption about the entire population with the help of a sample. For example, in this case, if you buy a Samsung phone, the sample is the Samsung phone you have, and the population, which is a very big sample, that is the all the phones that are manufactured by Samsung. Now, if your friend comes to you and asks you which phone to buy, you can say that I've been using Samsung phone. And usually Samsung phones they have good display, good camera, good battery life, so you can go for a Samsung phone. This is nothing but inferential statistics. Based on your phone, you have made assumptions about all phones of Samsung. So this is what actually inferential statistics is. Based on your data or the sample you have, you make an assumption or prediction about the larger or entire population. I hope the definition of these two is clear. And how do we mathematically calculate descriptive statistics? It's by calculating mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. And the inferential statistics can be calculated by hypothesis testing and regression analysis. There are many more, but we'll be learning about them in further videos. And if you watched till the end, first of all, thank you. And do comment down below what are the things you liked and what are the things that I can improve on. Until then,